So my final physics project is a heat-based cooling system called Heat Freezer, made by me, Denise Cavazos. So first of all, what is it? It's a cooling system based on the MEMFA effect, which is when hot water freezes faster than cold water. Here's a little diagram that I made of what it could look like. So how does it work? It works like any other cooling system except that it takes advantage of the MEMFA effect. So it allows the water to be heated more than it should, and then starts cooling it again, which ends up saving time. And that is exactly what it's supposed to do. It saves time, but also resources, since it runs on water instead of oil, like other cooling systems, so it ends up being cheaper. For whom is it used? Well, the people who deal with the actual benefits are the production management, since they have to see the schedules and the inventories of the production. Who receives the benefits? Well, in the end, it's the company or the factory, or, well, basically the owners of the factory. And who uses it? Besides the actual machines, it's used by machinists and operators, since they're the ones actually dealing with the machines. How is it used? Well, there's two ways that it can be installed. The first is where there's already another cooling system in place, so it could reuse some of that, but the tanks would still need to be changed. Or the second case, where it's being built anew, like completely from scratch, so it can be designed to work well with everything else. The only specific part of it is the cooling tanks. The rest is unique to every single installment because it depends on the layout of the machines. The distribution itself is just, it starts with the client buying it, and it then depends if the client wants to install it themselves or if they want us to do it. Of course, the second one is much more recommended. And that is all. That is my project. Thank you.